Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix AOC monitor speaker not working, causes and audio troubleshooting tips. Fix 1 is check the monitor volume. Press the menu button on your AOC monitor, then go to audio or sound setting. Make sure the volume is turned up. If there is a mute option, turn it off. Then play a video or music file to test the speaker. Second one is select the AOC monitor as the audio output device. Right click the speaker icon on the taskbar, then remove sound setting. Under output, choose your AOC monitor, then click test to check if sound plays through your monitor. Third one is make sure you are using HDMI or DisplayPort audio. Check which cable connects your monitor to the computer. Use an HDMI or DisplayPort cable if your monitor supports built-in speaker. If you are using VGA or DVI, connect a separate audio cable if your monitor requires one. Then test the speaker again. Fourth one is update or restart the audio driver. Press Window plus X and open Device Manager. Then expect sound, video and game controller. Then right click your audio device and select update driver. Restart your computer after the update. Then check whether the monitor speaker work. Fifth one is check playback device setting. Open control panel, then go to sound, then open the playback tab. Select your AOC monitor, then click set default, then click apply. Thanks for watching.